boy. Yay 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 yay. I can't wait to watch World's Dumbest, which is about to come on. Well, I have an idea now. I don't care that the fireworks are illegal after the 4th of July, so I'll go light some that were left over from Anastasia's fireworks display. That will be inside the house. Ha 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 ha. I see that this is the box of fireworks that were left over from Anastasia's fireworks display. Time to take them upstairs. Well, it is now time for me to light the fireworks inside this house. Ha 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 ha. Holy crap, the house is on fire. If Anastasia, Dmitri, Marie, and Bartok find out about this, I'll be grounded.
Oh my god. Rasputin, how dare you burn down the house with the leftover fireworks I had from my firework display. I now have a citation because of you.
And because of you, we're freaking homeless.
Thanks to you, we all need to get a new house.
This is our new house. Let's go inside. This is our new living room. We can all relax here. This is our new kitchen. We can make yummy food here. This is our dining room. We'll eat the food that is made in here. This is the basement that was made into a mini house for my grandma. And this is the new bedroom that she'll be sleeping in.
Wow. This is nice. Thank you, Anastasia.
Really? Thank you, Grandma. This is Bartok's new room.
Oh my god. The style of this bedroom is very nice. Thank you so much, Anastasia.
You're welcome, Bartok. This is me and Dimitri's new room. This is Rasputin's new room. And Rasputin, you burned down our old house, which is why we came to this house. Oh 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 oh. How dare you do that by lighting fireworks in the house, causing me to get a citation for it. Now, I have to pay $250 because of you. That's it. You are grounded for 12,869,587 centuries. Get in bed and go to sleep right now.